Hi friends, welcome back to my physics channel once again. Now, in basic physics, we'll learn about what is the relation between 1 radian and 1 degree. ఒక రేడియన్ మరియు 1 డిగ్రీ మధ్య రిలేషన్షిప్ ఏంటని చూద్దాం because this is basic physics while doing numerical problems. Here you can see on the board a circle is there. Suppose here a person is there. Now suppose the person is traveling like this. Semicircle. అంటే ఎన్ని రేడియన్స్? Pi radians. Malli next another semicircle, another pi radians. That means in terms of pi radians, we already know what is the perimeter of a circle, 2 pi r. Where r is the radius, perimeter ante manaku telusu kada, 2 pi r. R is the radius, 2 pi is the radians. That is circumference. Aithe this is pi plus pi. Ante enta ayindi manaki 2 pi radians is equal to any degrees of one complete circle ki 360 degrees. See, 90, 90, 90, 90, 360 degrees. Okay, na? So therefore, 1 radian is equal to 360 by 2 pi. 2 ones are 2 180. That is 180 by pi. And then manaki 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. లేదా 3.14. So when you divide this one, okay, nearly you will get 1 radian is equal to 57.2 57.296 nearly degrees. Okay na? Very important. 1 radian is equal to ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి 180 by pi అంటే 22 by 7 లేదా 3.14 చేస్తే you are getting 57.296 degrees. In the same way 1 degree కూడా కట్టచ్చు. ఎలాగా 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radians లేదా 1 degree is equal to 2 pi by 360. 2 ones are 2 180. That is pi by 180. Pi by 180 ఎంత మళ్ళీ 3.14 by 180. This is almost nearly you will be getting around 0.017. 0.01745 radians. 0.01745 radians. Okay na? So like this you can solve the relation between radian and degrees.